Alright guys, good day and welcome. So as this question from JAM 1988 question 23, where we've been asked to simplify 1 divided by x squared plus 5x plus 6 plus 1 divided by x squared plus 3x plus 2. So quickly we'll dive into this by writing solution. We write solution. Next, we copy out our expression. So we have 1 divided by x squared plus 5x plus 6. Then we'll have plus 1 divided by x squared plus 3x plus 2. Next, we know the following, that both denominators are factorizable quadratic expressions. Therefore, we have from our first fraction, the denominator from our first fraction, we have that the value of a here is equal to 1 or plus 1. Then we have that a value for b here is equal to plus 5. Our value for c is equal to plus 6. While our second fraction, we have the value for a also as plus 1 or 1. We have a value for b as equal to plus 3, while our value for c as equal to plus 2. Now, we'll get back to our first fraction, and we know that the value for c, the factors of c that when added gives us b are plus 2 and plus 3, because 2 times 3 gives us 6, while 2 plus 3 gives us 5, which is our value for b. While from our second fraction, we have the value, the factors of c that gives us b as plus 2 and plus 1, because 2 times 1 gives us 2, while 2 plus 1 gives us 3. Now, having these at the back of our mind, our expression becomes 1 divided by x squared plus, we see a plus 2x plus 3x taking the place of 5x. Then we write plus 6 plus 1 divided by, we have x squared plus 2x plus x taking the place of plus 3x. Then we have plus 2. Now, having done this, we proceed to factorize. 1 divided by, we factor out x from x squared plus 2x, factor out x, we're left with x bracket open, x plus 2 bracket close. Now from plus 3x plus 6, we factor out plus 3, and we're left with bracket open, x plus 2 bracket close. Then we'll have plus 1 divided by, we'll have x squared plus 2x. From this, we'll factor out x, and we're left with x plus 2 bracket close. And we have a plus x plus 2. From this, we factor out plus 1, and we have a x plus 2 bracket close. Now, proceed further. We have 1 divided by x plus 2 bracket close, bracket open, x plus 3 bracket close. Then plus 1 divided by bracket open, x plus 2 bracket close, bracket open, x plus 1 bracket close. We proceed, okay. Now we proceed to apply the principle of LCM to our resulting denominators. Therefore, our LCM in this case, our LCM becomes bracket open, x plus 1 bracket close, bracket open, x plus 2 bracket close, bracket open, x plus 3 bracket close. Now, having these as the value of our LCM, solve further by copying our LCM at the bottom. we have x plus 1 bracket close, bracket x plus 2 bracket close, bracket x plus 3 bracket close. Now we divide bracket open x plus 1 bracket close, bracket open x plus 2 bracket close, bracket open x plus 3 bracket close by bracket open x plus 2 bracket close, bracket open x plus 3 bracket close. When we do this division, what we'll have left is bracket open x plus 1 bracket close. We'll multiply this by 1, we'll end up having bracket open x plus 1 bracket close. Bring our addition sign here. Now we divide bracket open x plus 1 bracket close, bracket open x plus 2 bracket close, bracket open x plus 3 bracket close by bracket open x plus 2 bracket close, bracket open x plus 1 bracket close. And what we'll be left with is bracket open x plus 3 bracket close. We'll multiply this by 1 and we're left with bracket open x plus 3 bracket close. Having done this, our expression becomes pretty much like this. We'll copy out our denominators. We have a bracket open x plus 1 bracket close, bracket open x plus 2 bracket close, bracket open x plus 3 bracket close. Now we remove our brackets and we'll have x plus 1 plus times x gives us plus x, plus times 3 gives us plus 3. All right. Now having done this, okay. All right. Our numerator becomes 2x because x plus s gives us 2x, and plus 1 plus 3 gives us 4. So we have 2x plus 4. All right. Let me do a good work. All right, plus 4. Now we'll copy out our denominator. We have bracket open x plus 1 bracket close, bracket open x plus 2 bracket close, bracket open x plus 3 bracket close. We continue with our solving by factorizing out 2 from our numerator. We factor out 2 from our numerator. Our numerator becomes 2 bracket open x plus 2 bracket close. We'll copy out our denominator again. We have bracket open x plus 1 bracket close, bracket open x plus 2 bracket close, bracket open x plus 3 bracket close. Now bracket open x plus 2, we find it at our numerator and also find it at our denominator. So we'll go ahead and we'll cancel out these, cancel that at the denominator, and we're left with 2 at our numerator is divided by bracket open x plus 1 bracket close, bracket open x plus 3 bracket close. These are final answer. Thank you.